Hello, my name is Mr. Thrasher. I am one of the teachers for the class Intro to Science. Another teacher is Ms. Saboti, and our classroom aide is Mr. Piccinini. In this video, I'm going to talk about the class Intro to Science and what is most important for you to know and for your students. In this class, we are practicing English and we are practicing science. We will learn English to practice observations, patterns, experiments, measurements, making graphs, and doing calculations. What a typical class might look like? Well, we say hello at the beginning, ask how students are feeling. Maybe we remember information from last classes. We're going to learn vocabulary, English vocabulary, practice some English sentences. We'll probably practice writing and practice speaking. All right, that includes writing sentences in a notebook and speaking to the class. And to end the class, we'll probably do some type of review activity, maybe recording in Canvas, maybe playing a review game. Now, grades, how your son or daughter or student is getting a grade. Attendance is 30%, them being on time, participating, trying and submitting material, talking, and trying, asking questions, helping another student, demonstrating bravery. There will also be assessments. Okay, we're going to practice. We're going to have assessments on speaking, on writing, on reading, and doing some science. Okay? Classwork. The most important thing for classwork is their notebook. They should have a science notebook called Introduction to Science. It is important to have their notebook every class. At the beginning of class, they have their notebook. And they'll need a pencil to write in their notebook. That's the most important thing. Now, attendance and engagement. Students need to be in class within the first 10 minutes, or they will be marked tardy, marked late. So within the first 10 minutes. They need to try and have their camera on as best possible. All right, Mr. Thrasher likes to see students. It's important, if possible, to have the camera on. And when we're going around practicing, all right, it's important to answer questions and to participate. Okay, very important. For class resources, we have the Canvas website. It looks like this. Here's Introduction to Science, Ms. Saboti and me, Mr. Thrasher. This is where we have important information. These are the links for students. These are for students to join class. If students or you want to meet with the teacher during office hours, here are the links during office hours. And if you or students want to email, they can email me, Ms. Saboti, or Mr. Piccinini. They can email. I speak, very little Spanish, almost zero. Mr. Piccinini is fluent in Spanish. Ms. Saboti speaks some Spanish. Okay, so you could email Mr. Piccinini in Spanish, and he can talk with me. Also, the day's activities are here on the Canvas webpage. So there are often links to material. Okay, so this is the main website to use. How students and parents can reach me. You can email. You can email in Canvas. You can email in Canvas with the inbox, or you can send an email here. My email, pthrasher@smuhsd.org. For Ms. Saboti, the email address is there. For office hours are Tuesdays and Fridays, 2:45 to 3:15. You can sign up to get extra help, to ask questions, all right, to check in. And for these office hours and another way to email me, again, right here, you could also click here. Here's email. Here's the link for those office hours. That is the most important information for this class. Thank you for listening. Have a good rest of your day.